Coming home in the dark. I don't have the motion sensor directed correctly, but this shows you just how dark it is. Pitch black. I need to get those lights to come on. I got some new bulbs. They're daylight bright. As soon as I get it to turn on, you'll see what I mean. It's motion censored. Why isn't it coming on? Did I not flip the switch? I thought I did. There we go. There's the switch. I'll just have to readjust these things so that we can see what we're doing. Where are those feral kittens? Look how bright this is. Daylight bright, 5,000 Kelvin, 3,600 lumen. I'll put all the specs in the video description and in a pinned comment. Look, kittens must have knocked that down. I don't know where the kittens are, where they've run off to. But I can see that parking area over there now. With my previous ones, I couldn't see it. I highly, highly recommend this. You don't need any other bulbs than these. Look how bright they are. Highly recommend these. Check the video description or the pinned comment for the specs. Bye-bye from Cloudcroft, New Mexico.